Hey beautiful people, welcome back again to Clara's Corner. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this quality multipurpose bar soap with simple and easy recipe. I call it multipurpose soap because it can be used for bathing and also do your laundry. This soap contains good oils that are nourishing on the skin. You can as well package this soap well and sell to individuals and shops. Make it your side hustle and make money for yourself. If you're interested in this kind of video, please keep watching. Welcome back guys. The first ingredient we need here is palm oil. We're using palm oil to make this soap, but first of all we are going to be bleaching this palm oil into the form that we are going to be using to make this soap. First thing I'm doing is to measure this oil, and what I have here is 500 grams of palm oil measured out here. I'm going to be doing cold process bleaching of this oil. There are two ways to bleach your palm oil for soap making. The first one is heating the oil on fire to bleach it. The second one is cold process, which is what I'm using right here. It requires you to use two chemicals to do your cold process, which is hydrogen peroxide and sulfonic acid. The first one I just added in is sulfonic acid, and the second one, which is this one, is hydrogen peroxide. I'm using 5 ml of each of these two chemicals. And if you want to get a video for how to bleach palm oil with cold process, I have a video in my channel on how to bleach palm oil. You can as well watch that video to understand how to bleach palm oil with these two chemicals. The video is on my channel. Please do well to check it out to know how to do it. So after mixing these two chemicals, the next thing to do is to keep this oil aside for it to bleach properly on its own. Yeah, I'm done mixing it, so I'm going to be keeping this oil aside and leave it for like 3 hours before using it to make the soap. So after 3 hours, here is the palm oil. It has properly bleached. So at this stage, I'm going to be using it to make the soap. And the benefit of palm oil I love about it is that it gives a long lasting soap. When you use it to make your soap gonna last a very long time while using it. So I'll be transferring the oil into this heat resistant bowl for further processing. And here are the other ingredients I'll be using to make this soap. This is caustic soda right here, 152 grams of caustic soda. I have sodium sulfate, 16 grams of sodium sulfate. The next one is sodium silicate. Sodium silicate is also 16 grams of sodium silicate. And the last but not the least here is the fragrance. Here is the fragrance. I'll be using the fragrance to make this soap smell so nice. So these are the ingredients I'll be pairing with the oils, and these ingredients have been measured out with this scale right here. And I would say that measurement is the most important thing in making soap. Once you get your measurements right, you're going to get accurate results in your soap making. So make sure to get your measurements right. So the next thing I have here is water. I have 456 grams of water. I'll be using this water to dissolve our caustic soda. So I'll be pouring into this cup and get the caustic soda that have been measured out, which is 152 grams, and pour into this water. And the combination of water and caustic soda will give us the lye solution. The lye solution will be paired with the oils to get the soap batter. So once you pour the caustic soda into the water, you stir it in very well immediately. Stir very well for like 2 to 3 minutes. After stirring, you keep the caustic soda aside to dissolve completely on its own. Mind you, before doing this, especially working with caustic soda, make sure to do your protective measures by wearing your gloves, nose masks, to avoid any spillage that will burn your skin, because caustic soda is very corrosive. So after keeping the caustic soda, here is the palm oil that was bleached and kept aside. So I'm going to be adding the other oils I'll be pairing with this palm oil. I'm going to be measuring them out on the scale into the palm oil to get 1000 grams of oil, because this soap we are making, what we need to use to make it is 1000 grams of oil. So I'll be using 3 oils. Here is coconut oil. The second oil I'm going to be pairing with the palm oil, so I'll be using 200 grams of coconut oil into the palm oil. The next one I will be using is olive oil. Here is olive oil. I'll be adding 300 grams of olive oil into these two mixture of oil, palm oil, coconut oil, and then the olive oil. After pairing these 3 oils into this heat resistant bowl and getting 1000 grams, so I have 500 grams of palm oil, 200 grams of coconut oil, and 300 grams of olive oil, which is 1000 grams of oil. After combining the oils, the next thing to do is to warm our oil to be in the same state with the caustic soda. This oil is quite cold, so I want to warm it so it can be in the same state with the caustic soda, because the caustic soda is going to be warm. I left it for some time. Here is the caustic soda, is actually warm, so I'm going to be adding the next ingredient, which is sodium sulfate, into the lye solution. So after adding it, I'm going to mix it in, stir it in properly to dissolve inside. So after stirring it in, I'm going to keep it aside and then bring the oil that has been warm and pour. Here is the oil, is warm now, so I'll be pouring it into this other bowl that we'll be using to make the soap. So yeah, this is where the soap making process is more interesting. I'm going to be pouring the caustic soda with sodium sulfate mixed inside into the oil. You can see as I'm pouring it, a reaction is taking place, and this reaction is what is known as saponification reaction, where oil and lye solution mix together to form the soap batter. So yeah, at this point you keep stirring it in until everything is properly combined to form the desired soap batter. So one thing about using different oils to make your soap is to get different benefits of these oils into your soap. The palm oil I use is basically for a long lasting soap, a soap that cannot finish so fast and easily, and also nourishing on the skin. That's the benefit of palm oil. Then coconut oil on its own has a high foaming and cleansing effect. So pairing palm oil and coconut oil is a very good deal in your soap. And olive oil, on the other hand, has a very high nourishing and moisturizing effect on the skin. So you can see pairing these different oils give you different benefits of these oils on your soap. So you can see it's very good to use different oils to get different benefits. Yeah guys, you can see the soap batter has properly formed. You can see the beautiful soap batter we have formed here. So At this point, the soap batter has completely formed. So the next thing is to add other ingredients. This I am adding right here is sodium silicate. Sodium silicate, the function of sodium silicate in your soap is to give your soap a shining look and also make the soap to harden so fast. I'll be delivering this soap tomorrow, so I need it to harden fast so that I can be able to deliver to the owner. So that's the work of the silicate. And also the sodium sulfate I added into the lye solution also make soap to harden fast. So these two ingredients, sodium sulfate and sodium silicate, can make your soap harden in less than 5 hours. By 5 hours time, your soap is so strong and hardened. Alright guys, if you have watched this video to this point and you've not subscribed or you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Clara, and in this channel I make DIY videos of different products for personal use or for commercial purposes. Every video in this channel can be monetized to make money out of it. So if you need training on any of the videos I posted here, you can contact me and we'll kick off from there. And do not also forget to turn on your notification bell after subscribing to be able to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you. So guys, the last but not the least ingredient we are adding right now is the fragrance. The fragrance to give the soap a very good smell. So I just added 10 grams of fragrance into the soap. I'm using the combination of mango and strawberry fragrance. I combine these two fragrances to give the soup a very beautiful smell. So at this last part of the production, you're going to gently mix in everything well. Mix everything properly to combine well. Then the next thing is to mold our soap. So we're going to be pouring the soap into the mold. After pouring into the mold, you're going to take your time to arrange the soap into the mold. Guys, as you can see, I'm taking my time to arrange the soap into the mold. I've properly arranged it. I'm going to leave it for hours to harden up. After 8 hours, guys, this is the soap. It's very hard now. The next thing to do is to unmold this soap. So guys, watch me to see how I unmold this beautiful soap. This soap right here is so good, so on point. The amazing part of this soap right here is this soap lathers so well, and the fragrance I use in making the soap makes it to smell so beautiful. So this is a multi-purpose soap. You can use this soap in your laundry, you can use this soap for bathing. It's just a basic soap that everyone can use. Both children and adults can use this soap. This recipe is very simple and very nice on the skin. This is something you can convert into a side hustle. Make this soap, get a good packaging, package it and supply to even supermarkets and shop like I also do. I package and give to individuals. So this is a good business idea. You can make this soap at the comfort of your home, package it and make money out of it for yourself. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like this video, send in your comments, and also send this video to whoever might be needing it. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not. Turn on your notification bell for other beneficial videos. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.